Alright, so today we're going to work on building a mantle. So, I've only done this once before for my own house and it looks pretty cool. My sister-in-law wants one, so we're going to do it. We're using some old tools here. I've got adze from probably the early 1900s we'll be beating it up with. Some chains, some wire wheels, all sorts of good stuff. If it can beat this thing up, we're going to use it. Alright, so we've beaten the heck out of this thing. I don't know how much you can see with the GoPro, but it's beaten up pretty good. Very rough. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit it with a knotted wire disc on the grinder, and it'll really bring out the grain. It's getting there. Here's a before and after. Looks pretty cool.